Okay, we're live. Hello, family. Yeah, this is Day Trading Journal here, and I know it's been a minute, and yep, but I'm back to stay, and I'm back fully, and I'll be dropping contents back to back. Like before, the goal is simple. Um, we get to it really quickly. The goal is simple, to ensure every viewer on my channel gets to better understand the direction and the flow of the markets in order to, aid their decision making while executing a trade during the week. And if you're new here or you've been an old timer, do well to, hit the subscribe button, as I do have a vision for the channel, which is to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, from right now to the end of the year. So every day it's going to be back-to-back contents, and in order to help every trader, every beginner trader, every professional trader to put some money into your pockets. So let's get right to the chart analysis. We're on TradingView right now, and yeah, it's TradingView, one of my best apps to use. And if you've been following back to back, one of my best pairs is USDJPY, which we're going to launch the chart immediately. And let's see what USDJPY has. Let's start from the top down analysis from the monthly time frame. So let's see what USDJPY has been up to for the past few, months. I would say we've been in pretty much a buys, because see this, it's been an upward trend for a while now. You could actually see this, but I think for over a year it's been ranging in. We've been having a range, right, for over a year. I would agree to that actually, but yeah, let's go down to the daily time frame. The weekly shows almost similar things. For weekly shows almost similar things, just more more critical and maybe more detailed from the monthly time frame. So yes, we're in the daily time frame, and okay, we're in the range, and what I see here is, we did hit this rock bottom in the daily time frame. At this point here, we hit this bottom here. So what I'm expecting was the buys, which actually happened, and I mean that's what is actually going on right now. Which the buys, that's what I'm seeing right now, is the buys that. But what I'm expecting to see, just like this trend line follow up, we'll go down to a lower time frame, the 4 hours, and let's see what we have here. Yep. So guys, what are we seeing here? I'm seeing a trend line. Here we've had the first touch on the trend line here. First touch, this is the second touch, and we're getting to the, sorry guys for more screen space, let me make the screen larger. Right now we're getting to the third touch, which happened on Friday. We saw this beautiful drop right here, and yes, I did catch this trade as well. Not like I've been trading without putting out the context. Yeah, I do trade. So I think we pretty much just need to check for the buys opportunities around this sorry, network glitch, around this, maybe a little dance around, then we'll have our buys, continuous buys within the range. Or another thing I'm expecting is this, right? If UJ breaks below the trend line, right, I'm expecting to see a kind of a retest and a continuous fall. Or if that doesn't happen, right, this is another possibility. This previous low, yeah, this was the previous swing low, and I'm expecting to see something of this sort. This break happens, retests, breaks below, and retests, then I'll be willing to take a sell trade from this zone. However, if that doesn't take place, right, we most likely, I'm more biased. My bias is a buy, right? I'm more on the buy side of the market, so I'm expecting a buy on the UJ chart. Like I said before, hit the subscribe button, hit the like notification, and also turn on your notification, which is the bell icon, to get more content, and I have more coming in.